Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will see a restaurant conversation. I encourage you to read the answers and speak them out loud. We will see when we get into a restaurant, how do we order the food? How do we talk to the waitress or the waiter? So here's the conversation. Good evening, ma'am. How may I help you? I would like to have a seat for two, please. Sure, you can have a seat over here. Thank you. What would you like to order, ma'am? I would like to have some orange juice, and my friend will have some apple juice, please. Also, can we get some water? Sure. Would you like the normal water or the bottled one? We would like to have some normal water, please. Very well. I will be back in 2 minutes. Here are your drinks and the water. Would you like to order something else? Yes, please. I would like to have chicken wings, and my friend will have vegetable soup for the starters. Very well, ma'am. And for the main course? We haven't decided yet for the main course. Do you have any recommendations? Well, we specialize in the Japanese food. I would recommend you to try our sushi platter. It is the best till now. Very well then. For the main course, we would like to order a sushi platter. Sure, ma'am. Anything else? No, that's it for now. Thank you. Here are your starters. Your main course will be served in 10 minutes. Thank you. How was the food, ma'am? The food was fantastic. Thank you so much. I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to order something else? Yes. For the desserts, we would like a brownie and some ice cream, please. Very well, ma'am. Can we have the check now? Sure. How would you like to pay? We would like to pay by card. Very well. Here's your check. Thank you so much. I hope you will visit over here again. Definitely. It's on my list. The food was amazing and the place is no doubt very beautiful. We are glad to hear that, ma'am. I hope to see you again. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye.